Hi everyone, today we're going to upcycle an old pair of jeans and turn it into a beautiful bag. First, cut the jeans apart and prepare several fabric panels. Cut them into rectangles according to the measurements shown on the screen. Next, take the smaller rectangle that will become the pocket. Sew along this folded edge with the top stitch. Now fold the pocket piece in half to find the center point. Do the same with the larger panel. Fold it in half to mark the center. Then measure about 8 cm down from the top edge of the large panel and draw a guideline. Place the pocket along this line, making sure it is centered. Sew around the 3 sides of the pocket to attach it. Fold the large panel lengthwise and make small notches to mark the center line. Do the same with the 2 smaller panels. Align these smaller panels with the center marks on the large piece and secure them with clips. Repeat the same process on the other side. Then sew along the 3 sides to connect all the pieces together. This will start forming the shape of the bag. Finally, turn the bag right side out and smooth everything out. Next, prepare 2 long strips for the bag handles. Fold each strip in half to find the center line. Then fold both long edges toward the center and fold it again like this to create a knee strap. Top stitch along 3 sides to secure the folds and make the strap stronger. Repeat the same process for the second strap. Now take the outer back piece. From the center of the top edge, measure 7 cm to each side and mark the positions. Place the ends of the straps on these marks. Secure them with clips to keep them in place. Do the same on the back side of the bag, then sew the straps firmly onto the bag. Next, let's prepare the lining fabric. Cut the lining pieces according to the measurements shown on the screen, then assemble the lining the same way we did for the outer bag. Sew along 3 sides, but this time remember to leave a small opening at the bottom. This opening will help us turn the bag right side out later. Repeat the same steps for the other lining panel. After sewing, we now have the inner bag ready. Now we'll prepare the zipper panel. Cut 2 fabric strips about 40 cm long. Add fusible interfacing to the back of each strip and press them flat with an iron. Mark the measurements on both strips as shown on the screen. Place the zipper right side facing the fabric strip. Align it with the markings and secure it with clips. Open the zipper, then attach the other strip to the opposite side of the zipper. Clip everything in place and sew along the marked line. And now we have the finished zipper panel like this. Now attach the zipper panel to the lining bag, match the side seams and the center marks, then sew along the edge. Trim away any excessive purl if needed. Next, turn the lining right side out. Place the lining inside the outer bag, making sure the right sides are facing each other. Match all the side seams, center marks and notches, and then secure everything with clips. Sew all the way around the top edge of the bag. After that, turn the entire bag right side out through the opening we left earlier in the lining. Once everything is turned out, close the opening by top stitching along the edge and push the lining back inside the bag. Finally, top stitch around the top edge of the bag to keep everything neat and secure. You can sew a second line of stitching for extra reinforcement. And now the bag is finished. Inside, we have two divided inner pockets, one zipper pocket and one outer pocket. If you like this project, give it a try. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel.